really important, I think the take-home message is to keep your pets inside during the cold weather. If you have cats that normally go in and out, maybe just put their litter tray downstairs, put another litter tray upstairs, and keep them in. Even if they just are looking to go out, I suppose it's our job to keep them safe, so I'd recommend keeping them inside. So cats' general temperature that they enjoy is about 28 degrees. So you can imagine in the -1, -2 degrees, it's not really appropriate for their body. And unfortunately, they can get hypothermia, and worst case scenario, it can be fatal. And it's not unheard of that unfortunately, if cats have been left outside in cold weather, that they can end up freezing to death. Cats should be kept inside, and if you notice any outdoor cats in your area, try provide some shelter, leave the shed open for them if they can, if they're feral cats, or you can give the DSPCA a call. Leave food out, wet food, dry food if you can. If you know that they're feral cats and they're in the area, providing that food can be a lifeline for them for the couple of days with the cold weather. Yeah, so I suppose there's such a wide variety of dog breeds. You can have your small Chihuahuas up to your big Huskies, and they all have different requirements. However, even in this weather, I would recommend all dogs being kept inside. Your toy breeds or your short-haired dogs, they're not able to keep the cold. If you do have little jackets or coats to keep them warm, put them on when they're going outside for their walks. And I think something to be mindful of as well is at the moment they're gritting the roads with salt, grit, and sometimes they can put antifreeze in that as well. So if you're bringing your dogs out for a walk, when they come back in, just clean their paws, because it can be corrosive to the skin on their paw pads. Just a bit of warm water and a cloth. No, nothing like that. Just some warm water and a cloth just to clean it off the paw pads when they come back in from their walk. So if you have your outdoor animals, like your horses, that would be kept outside, in this weather they do need rugs on. And it's really important as well to make sure that their water doesn't freeze over. Troughs can freeze over in these conditions, even during the daytime. So you need to check that they have constant water supply in the morning and the evening, and to go out and break that up in case it's frozen over. Yeah, so important that even if they're outdoors at the moment, they need a lot of possibly additional feed as well. So they could also need some high fibre diet, hay, haylage, and some, depending on the type of horse you have, they may need additional soft feed as well.